Mr. Alejandro. In this workshop we will see a comparison with the initial velocity that is 60 kilometers per hour and the initial velocity that is 80 kilometers per hour. Now we have to explain the graphics. The first is for the initial velocity 1 and the second is for the initial velocity 2. The differences what we see in these graphics is the time of those peaks. The tractor have a peak in less time than trailer. This is because the track changed the position to a single line first, and the trailer carry on the trailer, and this is this is this is the this is because the tracks carry the trailer, and for this we see these times and these accelerations, and the acceleration is because the velocity. And what we need to decrease the possibilities to roll over, um, we have to minimize the peak. What the first question, that is there any relation between rollover and steering system in the heavy truck behavior? Yes, there exists a relation between them if we analyze the behavior of the truck in both circumstances, because if we line change at 80 kilometers per hour, the possibilities of rollover increase. Another factor to evaluate is the co-influences in both situations should be the capacity of reaction of the steering system. Um, I it means the the if it means the precise of the ruler or have a play. This will increase the possibilities of rollover, the reaction of the operator, and many factors. Question, we have to explain the consequences that produce the higher velocities in a single lane change. If the truck have a cargo, a heavy cargo, the possibilities will increase because the cargo and the weight of the pneumatics concentrate only in one side, and this will increase the possibilities of rollover of the truck and the trailer. Then I have to read the last example. An example of how influences the high gravity center that many trucks have could be is the national scope. In Peru, the security politics in vehicles are not very strict as it should be. For this, we see the famous tractor buses. These trucks were modified to move people inside the country. These buses have a dead record for rollover for take the curve at higher velocities. This first question we have to analyze and respond: how does influence size and weight of variables on the stability and control properties of the heavy trucks? Uh, Now we have to analyze this picture. That is the control of the MTC of Peru that controls the vehicle weight and how much you can cargo on your trailer. In first place, the truck has a specification that it say how much of cargo can support this vehicle. If we overload the container, the vehicle will reduce its powerful and safety, because in a single lane change all the cargo will concentrate only in one side. There is increased the possibilities of rollover because the summatory of the weight of the trailer and the weight of the cargo and the weight of the pneumatics will increase the possibilities, and in a single lane change on a curve will roll over and have a. Actually, we have to respond the four questions. That is, from drawing results, estimate reward amplification for both cases. Compare and explain values obtained. For this equation, that is this equation, we analyze two options, that is 60 kilometers per hour velocity and 80 kilometers per hour initial velocity. In the first analysis, we have to see that is 0.86 and the second is 1.11. To respond this question, we have to repeat our vehicle is a tractor semi-trailer and the limit is 1.0. If the truck passes this limit, the possibility of rollover will increase. We see this information in this peak because our vehicle has 5 axes and the height of it is 45 feet.